If you're a superfood fan, you need to try Moringa. This isn't just another trendy health food. Moringa has been celebrated for centuries in various cultures for its incredible nutritional and healing properties. Known as the miracle tree, Moringa is finally getting the global recognition it deserves, and for good reason. Whether you're a wellness enthusiast, a busy professional, or just someone looking to feel better every day, Moringa could be the missing piece in your health routine. Imagine a single plant that can nourish your body, energize your mind, and support your overall well-being. Moringa is that plant. Packed with nutrients, this leaf is changing the wellness game. Moringa is not just a supplement. It's a powerhouse of essential vitamins, minerals, and plant-based compounds that your body craves. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to miss out on key nutrients, but Moringa makes it simple to fill those gaps. Whether you're blending it into your morning smoothie, stirring it into your favorite recipes, or sipping it as a soothing tea, Moringa delivers a concentrated dose of goodness with every serving. It's no wonder nutritionists and health experts are calling it one of the most nutrient-dense plants on the planet. Here's why everyone's buzzing about it. Moringa is more than just a trend, it's a lifestyle upgrade. From fitness enthusiasts to busy parents, people everywhere are discovering how easy it is to incorporate Moringa into their daily routines. Social media is full of glowing testimonials, creative recipes, and inspiring stories of transformation, all thanks to this humble leaf. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, support your immune system, or simply feel more vibrant, Moringa is quickly becoming the go-to choice for those who want to take charge of their health naturally. Okay, first off, Moringa leaves are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. We're talking more vitamin C than oranges, more calcium than milk, and more iron than spinach. That's right. Just a small serving of Moringa can provide a significant portion of your daily nutrient needs. Vitamin C is essential for a strong immune system and glowing skin, while calcium supports healthy bones and teeth. Iron is crucial for energy and focus, especially for those who follow plant-based diets. But that's not all. Moringa is also rich in vitamin A, vitamin E, potassium, magnesium, and a host of other micronutrients that keep your body functioning at its best. The antioxidants in Moringa help protect your cells from damage, slow down the aging process, and may even reduce your risk of chronic diseases. It's like nature's multivitamin, all wrapped up in a single green leaf. That's a nutritional triple threat. But the benefits don't stop there. Moringa's unique combination of nutrients makes it a powerful ally for anyone looking to optimize their health. The high levels of antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, which is linked to fatigue, inflammation, and a weakened immune system. By supporting your body's natural defenses, Moringa helps you stay resilient against everyday challenges, whether it's a busy work schedule, intense workouts, or seasonal changes. Plus, the plant compounds in Moringa have been shown to support heart health, improve digestion, and even promote healthy skin and hair. It's a true all-in-one superfood that fits seamlessly into any lifestyle. But it doesn't stop there. Moringa can help reduce inflammation, boost your immune system, and even support healthy blood sugar levels. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many health issues, from joint pain to digestive problems, and Moringa's natural anti-inflammatory compounds can help soothe your body from the inside out. If you're looking to keep your immune system strong, especially during cold and flu season, Moringa's rich blend of vitamins and minerals gives your body the tools it needs to fight off illness. And for those concerned about blood sugar, studies suggest that Moringa may help regulate glucose levels, making it a smart choice for anyone managing their energy or watching their diet. It's no wonder Moringa is often called nature's medicine cabinet. Plus, it's an energy booster without the jitters. Say goodbye to those afternoon crashes. Unlike coffee or energy drinks, Moringa provides a steady, natural lift that keeps you alert and focused without the dreaded crash later on. The combination of iron, B vitamins, and plant-based protein helps fuel your body and mind, making it perfect for busy mornings, long workdays, or pre-workout snacks. If you're sensitive to caffeine or just want a cleaner source of energy, Moringa is a fantastic alternative. Many people report feeling more balanced, clear-headed, and productive after adding Moringa to their daily routine. It's like a gentle wake-up call for your entire system, helping you power through your day with ease. You can toss Moringa powder into your smoothie, sprinkle it on your salad, or brew it as tea. The possibilities are endless. Moringa's mild, earthy flavor blends well with both sweet and savory dishes, so you can get creative in the kitchen. Try adding a spoonful to your morning oatmeal, mixing it into homemade energy bars, or even baking it into muffins and pancakes. For a quick pick-me-up, stir Moringa powder into yogurt, or blend it with your favorite fruits and veggies. If you prefer a warm drink, steep dried Moringa leaves for a soothing herbal tea that's perfect any time of day. However you choose to enjoy it, Moringa makes healthy eating simple, delicious, and fun. It's so easy to add to your daily routine. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, Moringa fits right in. You don't need fancy equipment or complicated recipes, just a scoop here or a sprinkle there, and you're good to go. Many people find that starting with a small amount and gradually increasing their intake helps their body adjust to the new superfood. And because moringa is so versatile, you can experiment with different ways to enjoy it until you find your favorite. Some people even use moringa in homemade face masks and hair treatments for an extra boost of natural beauty. The options are truly endless, so whether you're looking to boost your nutrition, fight fatigue, or just feel your best, give moringa a shot. It's a simple, affordable way to invest in your health and well-being. With so many potential benefits, it's no wonder moringa is gaining fans all over the world. From athletes and busy parents to students and seniors, people of all ages are discovering how moringa can help them look and feel their best. If you're tired of feeling run down, struggling with low energy, or just want to add more plant power to your diet, moringa is a smart choice. It's time to take your wellness journey to the next level, one leaf at a time. Your body will thank you. When you nourish yourself with moringa, you're giving your body the support it needs to thrive. Many people notice improvements in their energy, mood, and overall vitality within just a few weeks of regular use. You might find yourself sleeping better, recovering faster from exercise, or simply feeling more balanced and resilient. And because moringa is so gentle and natural, it's suitable for most people, including kids and seniors. Of course, it's always a good idea to check with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you have existing health conditions or take medication. But for most people, moringa is a safe, effective way to support lifelong wellness. Ready to join the moringa movement? There's never been a better time to start. With more and more people discovering the benefits of moringa every day, you'll be in great company. Share your experiences, try new recipes, and connect with others who are passionate about natural health. The moringa community is full of inspiration, support, and creative ideas to help you make the most of this amazing superfood. Whether you're a longtime fan or just getting started, there's always something new to learn and explore. So, why wait? Take the first step toward a healthier, happier you. Moringa is here to help. Hit that like button and share this with your fellow superfood fans. Let's spread the word about moringa and help more people discover the power of this incredible plant. If you've tried moringa and love it, leave a comment below and tell us how it's helped you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. Together we can build a healthier, happier world, one superfood at a time. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health.